program. Here's some things you need to know. With all your costumes and props safe and close to you, and keep your hands inside the studio cart. We wouldn't want any favors to go missing now, would we?
Does it make you run
Keep
through
seated
the
at all
corn
times
mazes?
on set.
Every horror
With
film
your head
goes
sticking
through
out.
Well, being chased by a dog.
my scarecrow.
Flash photography. The actors in here only allow you to photograph them on their good side, and you don't want to see their bad side, let alone their ugly side. You're not sure who or what might be lurking amongst your hand on scene. The actors or followers aren't sure who or what they are anymore. Do not touch them or anything else on set. Now for the most important part, your scream test. After 3, you must all scream as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Now, trailer roll and action.
It's nice and warm.
He's very close to the trees though, isn't he?
Trees are like.
It's not up there long enough.
Oh, you smell like you taste really good.
It's me asleep.
Wait.
Right, it's the last, I tell you. Help me! It's right, it's the last. Babe, where's the fresh meat that we were promised? They're right. Oh, come on, fresh meat.
It's like that drive near Jackson School, doesn't it? All the cars outside. There's somebody in there. Somebody in there. That good job, isn't it? Just sitting in your car waiting. People up there.
Spoils the illusion a bit.
Which one of them is real?
That'd be really good in the dark, wouldn't
Are
it?
creepy, right?
Yeah.
Ready to entertain you?
Yeah, double your balls, come on!
Oh, so much fun!
Right, twinkle, twinkle, little star, I'm gonna hit you with my car!
No, don't touch my ball! Oh! We had so much fun, don't we? Oh!
Bad type.
Bubbles,
Quick,
come
quick.
quickly!
Oh,
People
shut
are
up.
not entertained enough.
seen any ghosts anywhere? They're everywhere tonight. It's scary us under the trees. We're like, the Victorian era is no fun, I tell you. Blue, plagues, ghosts. The lady of the manor. She's there.
Imagine if they chopped real spiders on your head.
Well, like that.
Real
What time it is? That's right, it's time for women, I mean exploring. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you do must be careful. The cave. Okay, everyone, stay calm. There's no need to panic, as I will be your knight in shining armour. A bit like Batman, less bat, more man. You know how it is, you know. Oh, let's all get to safety, lovely. Oh, Mrs. Terrence. Oh, it's absolutely great. How are we all? This is my base camp. It's just fantastic, isn't it? We're all safe, and that's the main thing that matters. Oh, Terrence, I said no! Down, boy! He's so filthy and naughty, isn't he? Anyway, I'm back to find the crown jewels.
Go and say it. That's me old car. Oh, crikey.
good.
What a treat for him!
My name's Cletus.
Everyone, goodness me, oh, you've got a lovely face, haven't you? Maybe I'll take you, put it up on my wall, I'll look at it all day and all night. Goodness me,
Oh, you smell real good. You do real nice in a pie. You will.
oh.
What time it is?
It's family bath time! Give me the rubber ducky.
Oh, I'd like one of those in the garden.
Oh, that'd be awesome, wouldn't
So
it?
cool.
Definitely keep the kids away, wouldn't it? Pumpkin there. That's where Santa lives.
I've just come back from the lab and had a good old bang, you see. Hi, everybody. Everyone's everywhere.
One quick bang in the back of the lobby and everywhere!
Down there. I tell you what, we have had so much fun with pops and bangs and woo! Edward, darling, it's our time. It's the time. Let's go.
I told you Santa lived down there.
Yippee-ki-yay! Merry Christmas to you! Oh, hello, dude! Oh! Santa's back! Yes! Ho, ho! Yeah, you are!
I've had enough. I've got a place for all of you in my oven. You'll taste delightful. You know, he's disgraceful, he is. 364 bloody days, and he gets all of the credit. I'm the one who runs that cookie barrel.
Oh, look at you! Merry Christmas!
That's awesome. That's my favourite bit. It's nice doing it in live. Seeing what's going on.